The demand for the American currency remains high and it gains ground against most other measures. The US dollar is about to reverse the trend against the euro. While Donald Trump is trying to fight back against the Democrats who are seeking the president's impeachment, the American currency is steadily growing. The US dollar index has approached the level of 100 points. It started the American session in the green zone near 99.17. Most of the fundamental factors, such as the lack of liquidity, are beneficial for the greenback. Besides, the yield of the dollar-denominated US Treasuries is higher than the one of the European bonds. That is why market participants prefer to invest in the American dollars. The economic reports from the United States are often mixed, so traders pay little attention to some of them. Thus, the GDP data that was published yesterday had an insignificant impact on the market. Besides, the US dollar was barely affected by the economic indicators that were released today. The political situation in the United States and the US-China trade negotiations are drawing much of attention nowadays. Donald Trump still thinks that the possibility of reaching a deal with China is high, while China in turn started to buy the American beef and pork. Amid that, the US dollar weakened slightly and the euro benefited from it. Meanwhile, the USD CAD pair remained stuck in the 30-second figure. On Friday, the pair was trading at 1.3247. Oil prices attempted to settle in the green zone, but most of the factors are not favorable for the commodity. The British tanker that had been retained by Iran was set free. At the same time, the output volume in Saudi Arabia recovered to the levels that were seen before the attacks on the country's oil facilities. You were watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable deals and have a nice weekend.